Hey everyone, it's the Epic Evie here. So, one day on art class, we were having a paper-mache project. And obviously I was thinking outside the box. So, I was thinking to do this. Why not we mash up a toy car with paper-mache and make it a paper-mache car that can move, control, and do a bunch of other things an RC toy would do, but not a paper-mache model or whatever not can do. And I did that. And I possibly am gonna get 100, and my art teacher was so impressed with it. Like really, she wanted to make a video about it, but the batteries on that thing drained out, so I had to do it in here. And I was gonna make a video about it anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but here it is though. I'm gonna present to you the possibly one of the coolest RC toys you're ever gonna see. And here it is. That thing. That there, my people, or my audience, this is my paper-mache project. And the name of this vehicle right there is NACV. Now, I know some of you guys might be thinking, it's not the most glamorous car in the world. So yeah, I know it's not the most glamorous car, and this is the second time I've done paper-mache, so obviously, I never really had good training or good experience when it comes to paper-mache. But really though, for a rookie that's done this, that's honestly really good for a rookie to actually do this. Yeah, so this is it right here. This is the paper-mache car that I've built within 3 weeks. Yeah, like I said though, it isn't glamorous, but it actually works though. So my project NACV, the first mark, what it's exactly made out of, or what the body's made out of, is popsicle sticks, paper, and glue. Like literally only 3 materials. And a little Mosh Podge for the, not Mosh Podge, but like some kind of special drying clay for the headlights. And to give that nice glossy glow, we used Mosh Podge, which can make anything shiny. So really, it took me such a long time. And for the windows, we actually used a special plastic vinyl. So honestly though, it's really cool. I've tested it out and it's actually quite fast, so yeah, you're about to see a lot right now. Those little insides inside. So check that out. On this right here, these right here are just this right here is just a controller. See? Nothing special. Just turn it and then it turns that, accelerate backwards, I think. I'm still trying to get used to it, okay? Okay, so it's on. The controller's ready. You guys ready to see this thing zoom? Oh, jeez. Cool, isn't it? It's really cool. Okay, next up, okay, so right now we're gonna test how well the NACV will endure turning and stuff like that. How does it perform? Like, does it perform well or pretty poorly? So I devised a track for it to see how well it can do. So here it is. I'll show you the track right now. Okay, so the track will start right here between the green and the red block. And then from there we go over here through this gate. Oops, I'll fix that in a minute. Through that gate, then this gate, through that gate, through that gate, through that gate, this, through that gate, swerve, over here, and then very careful, through that gate, and then back to the finish. So is it simple for the car? I am not sure. We're about to find that out right now. I'm not gonna lie though, this thing's actually very, very, very strong indeed. Okay, now we're just gonna do stunts and see how fast this thing can do this. Just see what it can do right now. Because at this point, I kind of get confident. So now let's just play around with it and see what funny things we can do with it. Well guys, I think that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more of my crazy RC toy named Natalie, ready to do more crazy stunts and stuff like that, if you want to see more crazy stunts with this thing, please comment down below on this video please, and I'll be more than happy to do it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you thought this was actually really cool, and I'll see you next time. Bye.